Hi. Today we will talk about the HoneyBurn. The best reviews for you. We have prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy HoneyBurn. I also have some really important alerts, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing HoneyBurn. The first thing you need to know about HoneyBurn is, be careful about the website you will buy HoneyBurn, because HoneyBurn is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So, what is HoneyBurn and does it really work? And the answer is yes, HoneyBurn works. HoneyBurn is the first and only purple honey designed to increase lipase levels. It is the only formula that contains 11 powerful natural ingredients that work to increase lipase production and accelerate your ability to burn fat. In addition to lipase, the ingredients within HoneyBurn have also been shown to have several additional antioxidants, vitamins and minerals with anti-aging properties. The ingredients are kudzu extract, raspberry extract, olive leaf extract, berberine, holy basil, royal jelly, propolis, and bee bread infused in organic southern honey. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with HoneyBurn, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used HoneyBurn, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test HoneyBurn during 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they give you your money back. So be safe to use the HoneyBurn, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for HoneyBurn to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Simply fill the dropper and squeeze it into your mouth or use it to flavor your favorite drink. One serving in the morning and another in the evening. Otherwise you won't see great results and you'll be really a bit frustrated. Also important for you to know, HoneyBurn has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy HoneyBurn, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that HoneyBurn really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.